coldest country in the world? Low temperatures are not common for our continent, but there are countries where the temperatures are extremely low. Do you know what the coldest country in the world is? Here you can see the places with the lowest temperatures. Many people like to sit in a warm room on cold evenings, but the climate in these 10 countries is sometimes unbearable. Even the sun can't save people from such cold weather. Follow the list and you will know what countries have lowest temperature. 10. Mongolia. A common winter temperature in this country is always below zero. The first 2 months of the year are especially cold. The temperature drops to -20 degrees Celsius. The water freezes and turns into ice and the snow feels like it's biting you. 9. Iceland. The name of this country has the word ice in it and it speaks for itself as the weather is so icy there. The usual temperature there does not exceed 0 degrees and can be even colder. There were times when the temperature dropped to -40 degrees Celsius. 8. Kazakhstan. Although summer here is quite warm, winter colds are almost painful. Astana is the coldest city in the country. It is impossible to leave the house without wearing a lot of warm clothes. 7. Russia. It's windy all the time, that is why the average temperature is very low all year round. This country is one of the biggest and the climate varies in different areas. In some areas in January, the temperature drops to -50 degrees Celsius and the maximum is only +8 degrees Celsius. 6. Canada. In different cities in Canada there are different temperatures, but, in general, it's pretty cool there. In the prairies, it is particularly cold when the temperature drops to -15 degrees Celsius at the daytime and to -39 degrees Celsius at night. It can also get windy here and this does not improve the situation. We have shared with you 5 coldest countries in the world, 5 more are ahead. Keep reading and you will know the winner when it comes to really cold countries. 5. Finland. Finland is fully covered with snow during 4 months of the year. Can you imagine? Sleds, ski, snowballs? Local residents don't even get surprised if the temperature outdoor reaches -20 degrees Celsius. Strong and harsh winds make Lapland one of the most severely cold region. However, fortunately, the summer here is quite tolerable. 4. Estonia. In comparison with other countries on this list, Estonia is not the coldest, but it's definitely too cold for comfort. This is because it rains very often there and this can cause a sharp drop in temperatures at any time of the year. 3. Greenland. People here do not get puzzled if they approach the thermometer and see that it is -9 degrees Celsius, as the highest temperature there is only +7 degrees Celsius. The country is covered with a large layer of ice, so the sun's rays can't penetrate into the atmosphere. Read also, largest state in Nigeria. 2. The USA. In Alaska, legendary low temperatures are set for 9 months. They can go down even to -62.2 degrees Celsius. The strong winds are dangerous, even if you are there for a short period of time. So, here we are. The first place goes to 1. Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent in the world. Actually, it is not a country, but there is no place that can beat its lowest temperatures. The temperature drops to -89.2 degrees Celsius. So it won't be strange to say that it is almost impossible to live there. Antarctica is also very dry. It will be difficult to survive. List of coldest places on the Earth. Now many people dream of finding themselves in cold countries. In the list below there are top coldest places on the planet where there are unrealistically low air temperatures. Vostok Research Station, which is located on the mainland of Antarctica, is by far considered to be the coldest place on the Earth. The lowest temperature registered there was -89.2 degrees Celsius, on July 21, 1983. In such harsh conditions, people still have to work throughout the whole year. Pole of Inaccessibility Station in Antarctica. This station only existed for 2 weeks. In December 1958 it was closed. The average annual temperature here, according to the calculations of scientists, is -58 degrees Celsius. Oymyakon. This village is considered to be one of the most frosty places in the Northern Hemisphere. The strange name of this settlement means ice-free water because among the permafrost there are hot springs. In winter, the temperature there often falls below -45 degrees Celsius. On the 26th of January in 1926, there was recorded the lowest air temperature of -71.2 degrees Celsius. Yakutsk. It turns out that the capital of the Republic of Yakutia is one of the coldest cities. In January, the average temperature is around -50 degrees Celsius. Local residents never turn off their vehicles, even at long stops, and do not wear glasses on the street, as they can freeze to their faces. The city of Snag is located in Alaska. It is the coldest place in North America. On the 3rd of February, 1947, the quicksilver on the thermometer descended lower than possible. Meteorological station workers were forced to strike a notch on the thermometer. Later, they were able to calculate how many degrees it was on that day. It turned out that the air temperature was -63 degrees Celsius. Frosts there are so strong that people's voices are echoed for many kilometers and the trace of frozen breath remains in the air for 15 minutes. Denali, McKinley Mountain, is the highest mountain in North America. Its height is 6,194 meters. It has been long considered as the coldest peak of the Earth. The air temperature in winter there reaches -40 degrees Celsius. Umyat. It is located in Alaska, the coldest place in the USA. Here the average annual temperature is only +11 degrees Celsius. In this region there are very contrasting temperatures and in the summer you can even suffer from the heat. The local population has become accustomed to this climate and has acquired mobile homes. International Falls is a town which is located in Minnesota State, the coldest one in the continental United States. The city is home to 7,000 people who are already accustomed to an average annual air temperature of +2 degrees Celsius. Now you know the coldest places on the Earth. Many people get accustomed living there. Would you like to visit at least one of these places? Don't forget to put on warm clothes.